This short instructional video will guide you through the process of using the ETF Web Forms application for submitting documents to the Wisconsin Department of Employee Trust Funds. You must use a desktop computer and a Chrome, Firefox, or Edge browser to use the application. To use the ETF Web Forms application, you must sign in with a MyWisconsin ID. If you don't have a MyWisconsin ID, you may create one during the ETF Web Forms login process. Please note, to ensure the security of your information, you will create a 16-character password. Your password must contain a lowercase character, an uppercase character, a number, and a symbol. Your password cannot contain parts of your username, your first name, or your last name. It's good to have your password ready before you begin the process. Your first step is to click the ETF Web Forms link to go to the ETF Web Forms page. Click Login. If you have a MyWisconsin ID, sign into your account and skip to the Verify Your Identity step later in the video. To create a MyWisconsin ID, click the Sign Up link at the bottom of the sign-in window. Follow the directions on the screen to sign up for a MyWisconsin ID. You'll need to set up a security method to protect your account and ensure only you have access. You may choose one of 4 security methods: Google Authenticator, Okta Verify, Phone, or a security key or biometric authenticator. Click Setup under the method you choose and follow the directions on the screen. Once you set up your method, you'll return to the Security Methods screen and see a blue Finish button. You may choose to create another security option if you would like. Otherwise, click the Finish button to move on. You will be taken to the ETF Web Forms screen. Here you'll verify your identity by using your member ID or Social Security number. Select one. You will find your member ID on your most recent WRS Statement of Benefits. Enter your member ID or Social Security number, birth date, and zip code, then click Verify. Select the form from the drop-down menu and click Submit. Fill out the form by following the directions within the form. The form is separated into sections that you will fill out. As you fill out one, a check mark appears when you complete the section. Click on the red eye circle icon if you need more information. Incomplete sections will display a red message with more information. Once you complete all the sections, click the Finish section at the bottom. You'll see a green message that says all steps are completed. Click Review and Submit. You may print a copy of your submission by clicking the blue Print button in the upper right-hand corner of the window. You may also click the Return and Edit button in the lower left corner of the window if you need to make changes. When you're finished, click Submit in the lower right corner of the window. You'll see a message that says, "Thank you for submitting your form." Click Log Out if you're done. The form will be sent to ETF, who will review and process your form. You'll receive an information packet in the mail in approximately 2 weeks. For more information about creating a MyWisconsin ID account or using the ETF Web Forms application, go to the ETF Web Forms help page at etf.wi.gov/ETF-web-forms-help.